Most of us know someone afflicted with alcohol addiction. Such a journey can be intensely personal and humbling. So when is it appropriate for a court to admit evidence of someone's alcohol abuse or addiction at trial? The Southern District of New York tackles this question in Ortiz v. City of New York. On June 1, 2014, New York City police officers called for an ambulance to take Hector Ortiz to the hospital. Hospital records and police accounts indicated that Ortiz was intoxicated, violent, and combative at the time. Although Ortiz admitted to drinking, he contended he wasn't intoxicated and that the police unlawfully seized and assaulted him. The police denied these allegations. Ortiz brought suit in district court against the city and police officers, claiming they violated his civil rights. To demonstrate Ortiz's chronic alcohol abuse, the city and police officers sought to admit several sets of Ortiz's medical records reflecting treatment he received for intoxication. They included records from the day of the incident and his 2 follow-up visits, as well as 1 record from prior to the incident and 3 from some later dates. They contended that these records, evidencing Ortiz's alcohol abuse, were relevant for the jury's fact-finding regarding his conduct and interactions with police that day, as well as his credibility, claims, and ability to perceive and remember events. They also asserted that the records from before the incident were admissible as similar act evidence under Federal Rule of Evidence 404B to demonstrate that Ortiz had knowledge of his dangerous conduct when intoxicated. They further sought to admit all the records as evidence of Ortiz's habit of drinking to the point that he's hostile, incoherent, and in need of hospitalization. Ortiz sought to exclude all records that weren't from June 1st and 2nd, contending they were inadmissible. Prior to the trial in which Ortiz was to testify, the parties sought the court's guidance with respect to the admissibility of records demonstrating Ortiz's hospitalization for intoxication.